The other stock, which is on our radar, is Tata Communications. Came out with numbers yesterday, good set of numbers. The stock closed up with a gain of about 4.25%. If you look at the numbers on a quarter-on-quarter basis, revenues have jumped 15%. The bottom line shows you a very sharp decline, and that's on account of an exceptional. But you know what the street liked yesterday is one of the acquisitions the company had done, Kaleyra, got integrated only in Q3 in October. And the company had earlier said that this acquisition will only turn EBITDA positive after 1 year. But the company managed to turn this acquisition positive at the EBITDA level in the first quarter itself. And that's what the street latched onto. So we chatted with the management, Mr. MD and the MD and CEO, Amur S. Lakshminarayanan, on the Kaleyra acquisition, how the demand outlook is shaping out. Listen in.
Kaleyra margins we've called out, it's 5%. EBITDA. But I wouldn't read too much into just one quarter. I think there are we need to get out of the business to see if there are any cyclicality, if there are any other costs coming in the subsequent quarters. So we are as I said, we're very pleased with the efforts of integration and fast tracking some of the activities. But we will carefully and closely watch the integration performance going forward. We would still maintain that our medium-term goal in Kaleyra would be to get it to a double-digit EBITDA. I think on the underlying basis, our revenue growth was year-on-year 6.6%, but our YTD growth on the underlying basis, which is organic one, is 15.1%. So I think I would look at more the YTD rather than a Q-on-Q or a Y-on-Y. We definitely saw relative to the last few quarters or even last year, there is a slowdown, but 15% YTD is still very creditable given the macro conditions that we are operating. Overall, order booking this quarter has been similar to the last quarter. I think we had our peak of order booking in the H1 of last year, and thereafter it had slowed down a bit. And it's maintaining at that similar levels, I would say, in this year as well.
All right, well, that's Tata Communications. Lots of interest in that name. We'll take